Hello everyone, Matthew Simmons here from Simmonsessentials, bringing another original knot. This is the Bel Air. Let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to slide this in so you can see it a little bit better. And this is another car knot, another classic car for you. It's not going to look just like the car, but we're going to give this knot that name. So here we go. We're going to put this dimple in here. We're going to bring it over. We're going to bring the skinny end over the top, and we're going to just bring this over here like this. Then I'm going to leave it hanging like so. And then I'm going to come across the bottom like this and then bring it back around like this, and then I'm going to fold this in half, and then I'm going to take this loop, this loop right here, or kind of, yeah, and then I'm just going to push it through here. Then I'm just going to bring it over the top like so. So there's that, and then I'm going to bring it underneath like so, and then put it underneath the collar like this, and then I'm going to pull it down. There you have the Bel Air, which is my dream car, by the way. So this is, again, doesn't look exactly like the car. It's not supposed to. It just represents the Bel Air. So again, on your own side, my friends, you're fearfully wonderfully made. We'll catch you in the next video.